Hello, welcome to the Good Mix Kitchen. Today we will share our recipe for creamy chicken mushroom pasta. It is rich and deep in flavor, it never disappoints. These are the ingredients, and you can find all of them in the description below. We will start with frying our chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a preheated pan and add chicken thigh cubes. Add chopped garlic and chili, mix it well. Then add salt, pepper, thyme, paprika, and mix. Cook covered for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Then remove it into a bowl and set aside. In the same pan where we fried chicken, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, garlic, and chili. Mix for a few seconds. Then add chopped onions. Cook them until they start sweating for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add mushrooms. Mix for a minute. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, Italian herbs. Mix well. Now we will add a secret ingredient, and it is soy sauce. It gives deep flavor and it is a great companion for mushrooms. Then we add chicken, 250 ml of chicken stock, cover and cook on low flame for 8 minutes. Meantime, we can prepare our pasta. Add some salt in a pot with water and cover, it boils much quicker. Then add pasta. We used red lentil pasta, but feel free to use any type of pasta you like. Now it's time to add double cream. Parmesan cheese and cheddar cheese. And mix well. Now add some spinach, mix and gently cook for another 3 minutes. It's now ready. Time to plate it up. Add drained pasta into a bowl. Generously cover it with creamy sauce. Sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the Good Mix Kitchen. Thank you.